Hello everyone, I am Swastik and welcome to part 4 in this series of code snippets for everyday JavaScript development. In this snippet, we are going to look at how we can handle the scroll event. To be specific, how to handle the scroll stop event. When a user starts scrolling and we want to capture when the user stops scrolling. So that's exactly what we are going to do in this snippet. So again, the same thing, like this code will make sure that our JavaScript runs after the HTML is mounted on the DOM. So we start with onScrollStop function, which takes a callback. In there, we define a variable is scrolling. Then we add the scroll event on the window. So on the entire window, we are going to listen to the scroll event. And in there, we have a function definition which clears the timeout if user starts scrolling again before the 500 milliseconds. Whenever user stops scrolling, this callback will be fired. This callback will be invoked. And if user stops scrolling but before or under 500 milliseconds, if he starts the scrolling again, we clear the entire timeout and start everything again. Now next, we call this onScrollTop function with this callback. So this is the callback which will be fired whenever user stops scrolling, and after 500 milliseconds it will console the user has stopped scrolling. Well, let's look this in action. So I started to scroll and I stopped. You see, I got the console user has stopped scrolling. So this is how you can handle stop scrolling with this code snippet.